Okay, we're out looking for gold today, and we're trying to find the hot spots, or the hottest spots for gold, the concentrations of gold. So we're using what we call a PPL rod, and it's a fancy dowsing rod, to pinpoint those hottest spots. As I go from left to right, you'll watch what happens with the rod. Right there, it stalls or locks onto a target here. Show you again. Right there, and even though my body and my hand is still moving, the rod is stationary. It says that's a hot spot. Now, we've been experimenting. We actually have another hot spot right there, a hotter spot right there, and then another real hot spot right there. So on both ends of this hole, where we've been panning for gold, we have two concentrations of placer gold. Now we can also use the PPL vertically, like this. So we'll show you how that's done. PPL vertically. And as I come over to where this is a hot spot, over this hot spot, you can see how the PPL is pulling back towards that hot spot. It literally is pulling all on its own, right there. Can you see that? And even though my arm and my body are going further, the rod is trying to pull back towards that hot spot. We can zero in on it both directions. Right there is where I start feeling the pull, and it's just like a brick wall. Right there. Isn't that incredible? Okay, let's try it over here now. See that? Let's take it from a different angle. Okay, come across this way. Okay, right there's where I first start to feel the pull. And it's still reacting. Can you see that move? And it's filling placer gold under there. It's sensing it. Whoa! Especially right over there. Can you see that? The rod pulls towards my feet. I can go both directions. Nope, not getting much of a pull this way. Right there is where I start feeling it. Now, I don't know if you can see that on the video, but it's impressive. And there's where we lose it, right over here. So we start it right there. And you can see how it's stalling or pulling towards the target right there. Can you see that? It's impressive, incredible. You gotta feel it, it's quite a sensation. And right over there is where we found our best gold as we've been high banking here today. What do you think?